Hi, I'm Jennie with CocoaDaisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the dashboards, stamp subscription, pouch subscription, sticker kits, and an a la carte stamp set from the July 2026 Coconut Cove collection. Okay, these are our dashboards. When you subscribe to the dashboards, you receive both the A5 size and the personal size. They are both the same. The only difference is that they are proportional to their size, but they're fantastic. They're a nice heavyweight cardstock, and they are printed at a printer somewhat local to CocoaDaisy headquarters that uses recycled inks and recycled papers. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. The first one is nice and simple with this beautiful July script and the watercolor design on the edges. The next one features some of Lanú's Pot's fun artwork. We have this sunshine in snapshots, summer stories in the making, and then a fun little octopus reading the sea news by Lanú's Pot's, of course. And then we also have Making the Best of It, also by Lanú's Pot's. And then the last A5 is Things Are Looking Up, also by Lanú's Pot's. And so then, as I mentioned, the personal size are the same as well. They are just, you guessed it, personal size. I love using the personal size ones in a standard size traveler's notebook as like a tip-in, like, you know, taping that in there and then having it flip and things like that. I think it's really fun. And I also love to use the A5s to, you guessed it, create a dashboard that I can use as sort of a bookmark in my planner. They're just so fun. And like if you stick an adhesive pocket on the back or photos or, you know, whatever, they're just really a playful item, but they're also great for scrapbooking and journaling and things like that too. So those are the dashboards. Now we also have our stamp subscription. This is a 4x6 stamp set that also comes in our stamp storage sleeve. As you can see, there are just a bunch of different images on here. You have like the large ticket and then some of these other more decorative stamps too. They're just so many great ones, and there's a lot of opportunities for layering thanks to like the sunglasses and the leaf and stuff like that too. So yeah, a very fun, usable stamp set. Here is our pouch for this month. It is one of our fabric pouches, and it has a light blue vegan leather tassel. And obviously it features Lanú's Pot's art. And then when we turn it over, we have this nice seaside art also by Lanú's Pot's. The pouch features the CocoaDaisy tag, and then on the inside there is also a nice lining. I'm going to show you, it's just such a great size. It's really, really usable, and I love to use them when I travel to organize lots of different things, but as you can see, it's fairly large. Like these A5 dashboards fit in so easily, and then you can just add so many other things. Like I said, I like to also use them when I travel, but they are obviously great for stationery, makeup, all kinds of different things too. All right, now we also have a bonus a la carte stamp set this month, and I think you're gonna love this one. It has a whole bunch of Lanú's Pot's fun little creatures. So we have the octopus and fish and seagulls and whales, all kinds of fun items. As I said, this is an a la carte item. It needs to be purchased separately. It does not come in any subscription, but it is definitely a lot of fun and something that you are going to enjoy using all summer long. Okay, we have stickers, and more stickers from the Coconut Cove collection. So let's dive right in so we can get to all of these fun sticker sheets. All right, so up first is our Daisy add-on sticker sheet. This sticker kit is not designed with any specific project in mind. It's just a kit of stickers. So if you love stickers, this one could absolutely be the one for you. We first have a sheet of vellum stickers, and as you can see, it features a bunch of decorative items. Some of them have phrases, and then at the bottom we have washi type strips. Like I said, this is our vellum sticker paper, and it's a little bit thinner than our traditional paper stickers. Then we have another sheet with a bunch of Lanús Pot's fun artwork, just like the vellum sticker sheet. And then also some little phrase stickers. And then a sheet of maybe a little bit larger images, including some watercolor splotches, and then some hexagons as well. And a sheet of alphabet stickers too. So you can see it's just a lot of fun, lots of playing, adding them to your journals and notebooks and scrapbooks and all of those things right there. Okay, next we have our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized to fit our Daisy Weeks notebook or a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So first we have our date covers, and then there's also a lot of icon stickers as well. We have 2 sheets of rectangles. So quite a few of them are decorative, but then there are also some trackers and just like some headers and things like that. We have a sheet of boxes. Some of them down here are decorative boxes, but then we have a bunch that you can use for writing on or layering. And then there is a sheet of decorative stickers that have a bunch of headers and trackers and decorative images. And then another sheet of decorative on our vellum sticker paper. And you have dates and strips as well. All of the art from the stickers, or most of the art from the stickers, is created by Lanús Potts. We have a long-standing, ongoing relationship with her, and she creates such beautiful art, and we love featuring it in our collections. All right, so now we have our calendar sticker kit. And just like the Daisy Weeks, it is sized to fit our Daisy Weeks notebook, and then also the Hobonichi Weeks planner. And this is sort of like a monthly sticker kit, like for the monthly view. And you can see there's a lot of different things. There's some decorative elements, some labels, some icons, and some date headers as well. Next up is our classic cousin sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized to fit in a A5 Hobonichi cousin. So these box stickers are the same width as the columns in the weekly view of the Hobonichi cousin. So they're approximately like 1.38 inches wide, give or take. And you can see there are some labels in addition to the decorative stickers. We also have a sheet that features some trackers and some checklists and some reminder stickers. And there's also a sheet that has some alphas, some washi type strips, and then some dates. There's a full sheet of decorative stickers, plus then at the bottom you can see there are a handful of phrase stickers. And then a nice and functional sheet with days of the week and some icons and some headers. And then a sheet of vellum stickers that have decorative images and washi type strips. And all of these feature artwork by Lanús Potts. All right, our next sticker kit is our Bible journaling sticker kit. So the Bible journaling sticker kit has some great, really fun, but then also just a little bit of extra, religious flair that you don't have on the other sticker kits. So you've got some large decorative stickers. You have a sheet that has some phrases and then also some labels. We have a sheet that has some washi type strips and then also some date stickers. We have a full sheet of different labels, an alphabet sticker sheet, and then a vellum sticker sheet that features some decorative elements and then different verses as well. Look at that sweet little bird resting right there. Just like all of the rest of them, they feature some of Lanús Potts' art from the Coconut Cove collection. All right, so now we're going to take a look at the memory keeping sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized to fit our Daisy planner and also a big happy planner. So these boxes are 2 inches wide, and will fit in the columns of our daisy planner or in the columns of a big happy planner. There is another sheet of those. And then we have a sheet of date stickers, some labels, some phrase stickers, washi type strips. There is a full sheet of decorative stickers, a sheet of alpha stickers, and then we also have a vellum sheet with different decorative bits and pieces, and then also some phrases too. And we also have a little small vellum sticker sheet of prompts. So wish I was, find me, sorry I'm, all kinds of different things that you can use for journaling or to go with photos, things like that. So this is the memory keeping sticker kit, and it does feature artwork by Lanú's Pots, just like the rest of the collection from the rest of the Coconut Cove collection. All right, now we also have our last sticker kit, which is our planner sticker kit. Now this one features boxes that are 1.5 inches wide. So that's like a classic happy planner or a Erin Condren planner. You have the decorative boxes and then some washi type strips. We also have a sheet of checklists and trackers and dates. There is a decorative sticker sheet. And then there is a sticker sheet that features hydration trackers, some labels, some sort of headings, and different boxes. Then we also have a sheet of hexagons and headings and reminders, so many great little functional items here. And a sheet of vellum stickers that feature a bunch of washi type strips and then some watercolor splashes, all with Lanú's Pots art like the rest of the Coconut Cove collection. And then we also have our little checklist circle stickers on our vellum sticker paper. So if you want to take a closer look at any of these sticker sheets, you should absolutely take a look on our website. You will see all kinds of photos and digital renderings there.